5 more exciting accessories for the Ray-Ban Meta sunglasses. You might have seen my last accessories video. We have more, and I didn't show any of these in that last accessory video. If you haven't seen that one, check it out, but stay here till the end of this one first. First up, we got a blind side plate by Hyblox. They make a lot of Ray-Ban Meta accessories, and they're all really good. All that these do is prevent side glare from entering your lenses. So if I'm looking this way, sun shines from behind and hits the back of the glasses. I can already see it now a little bit, but there's glare on the bottom right and the bottom left of this one. And also if you're driving fast on a bike or something like that, dirt and dust can also get up in the sides there. So that is what these are for. And they're really nicely labeled left and right on here. So this is the left side, clip it around like this. So this is what one side of it looks like. And this is what the inside looks like. Let's get the other side on there. The thing I love about Hyblox is they're always really easy to install. Everything from their clip-ons to the next accessory that I'm gonna show you, which is a fan favorite. Okay, sweet, there we go. It is fully installed. Now let's see if they actually work. Put them on, and wow, that actually worked. There's no side glare from the sun coming behind and hitting the inside of the glasses. I don't really want to ride a motorcycle in mud, so we'll just assume that less sand and dirt would get in here, and it seems pretty well blocked from things entering your eyes, which is great. So if you're interested in this, they're in that first link in the description, but let's move on to the next product. And that is also made by Hyblox, pretty affordable, but absolutely game-changing. The biggest complaint I get from all of my videographer friends and YouTube friends with Ray-Ban Metas, the thing that they say keeps them from being amazing, is the horrible battery life. Luckily, Hyblox made a product that completely fixes that and doesn't look hideous. There's some other videos that have different solutions for improving Ray-Ban Meta battery life that are wireless, but they all look absolutely hideous. And they're just completely impractical. I mean, they'll have an accessory this big on the side of their glasses. It looks so bad. I don't know how anyone would use one of those. But luckily, this product solves everything and you don't even need to use a power bank. Let me show you. Super thin wire, really low key, cord that is plenty long enough, but all you do is take the glasses and this is the part that actually charges it. Look how small that is. Like my finger is bigger than it. So all you do is come from the underside here and push it up into there till it is in position against the nodes to charge it. Then you use this cable management clip that just comes with it to clip it on over here. And from there, you just pull the string a little bit so that the wire is tucked behind the actual frame. Now, here's where the magic happens. You put them on and you have this wire. A really key thing here is it is USB-C. You could use a power bank, or you could use what I and many other people like to do, which is use your phone, an iPhone 16, plugs in, and these charge actually forever. You can record video, listen to music, do whatever you want while it's charging. Nothing stops it. The charge will actually go up over time. It doesn't go down slower. Even when you're recording video, it actually goes up. So this could potentially keep your glasses charged forever if you switch out your iPhone when it's about to die with something else. So you plug it in and it's basically just like you're wearing a set of headphones. Tuck it behind your ear and put it into your pocket. And right now it's like just a pair of headphones. But you can go one step further than this. Just unplug the cord and tuck it into your shirt. And you can do this behind your back or to the front. It does not really matter. And then plug it into your phone or whatever charging device you want. And you have infinite charge and you can barely even notice the cord, which is absolutely insane. This product really is a game changer. And the people trying to make wireless ones that are just enormous and stick out of the side of the glasses, you watch their ads, they'll just turn the glasses this way so you can't see the product because they know it looks hideous. So just get these. The perfect product already exists until they make the next model with better battery life or do some kind of update that fixes it. But this product is absolutely amazing. Check it out in the description. Second link. Number 3, this is actually going to be the lenses I already have in here. Now these are Smart VLT lens inserts. They're really easy to put in and take out, which is not true of all of the other lens inserts out there, Apex included. Because what Ray-Ban Meta has done is they kind of altered the size of their lenses and they're not exactly what they list. So these manufacturers make them in the same size, but they're not really. They're slightly too big, so they're really hard and annoying to put in compared to the originals. But Smart VLT completely avoided that, and theirs actually fit in perfectly instead of being slightly too big like most of the competition. The result is really easy to put in lenses that I can do without even really thinking, just like that. And I don't know how they managed it, but this is a 5-pack. So it has blue, red, silver mirrored, black, and clear, all for less than $40, the entire pack. and they look amazing, and the inside is amazingly tinted. You can't tell with these ones, but it actually gives the world kind of a sepia look, like a lot of cool sunglasses do, and they're mirrored so they reflect, and they're polarized, every single one of them. So check these out. I have a whole video about them. Make your Ray-Ban Metas 10,000 times cooler. They're a great product. I also have a whole video about the battery accessory as well. Moving on to number 4. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, there's a lot of game changers in this video. I also have a video about these. I don't know if you've seen it, but all this is about $5 on Amazon, link in description. And it is these semi-transparent blackout stickers. These aren't designed for Ray-Ban Meta, they're designed to cover up LED lights in your room from electronics. But these small ones, I don't know why, all 40, 30 of these on the bottom are the perfect size for covering up the LED indicator on here. As you can see, I already have it on here. This is what the LED stickers look like on there. You basically can't even tell. In fact, it looks more low-key than without the stickers, which is a really nice additional feature. This also helps with live AI when the light is also flashing on and off. So you won't have to worry about it annoying anyone or drawing attention ever again. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is use 3 of the smallest stickers layered on top of each other, stick them together before you put them on the glasses, and then throw them right on there. I have a whole video diving deep into this and why it works. Then once you turn the glasses on, cover the camera for just a second, press the record button, then release, and it will record perfectly. The key is to cover the camera for just a second, trick it into thinking that there's just an object in front of you, not that you're trying to hack the LED light, and then you'll never have to worry about the annoying light again. Again, I have a full video on this, talking you through how to do the whole thing, all the random fake videos out there about it and everything like that. So check that out if you want to know more. Finally, we have colored transition lenses. Now I have 3 different sets of these coming. This is the first one, and I'm just gonna make the video now because I'm not gonna wait weeks for the rest to arrive. These are by a company called Life Art Vision. I have a separate video about these that's sponsored, but this video isn't sponsored at all. So I'm just including them because they ship the fastest, they have a great track record, and they work great. If you want to see a video comparing all the colored transition options available, once the other products finally arrive, I'm going to be comparing all of them so you can get the best deal. But for now, these people respond the fastest and get your products to you the quickest. I can just say from emailing back and forth. And the fact that they arrived even faster than the products on Amazon. So these come in a few different colors: blue transition, pink transition, brown transition, and the standard black. And they're really easy to put in. If you enjoyed the video and want to check out any of these accessories, they are in the description. Now I've reviewed at least 10 different accessories. I have videos on all of these products individually, except for the side ones, which are exclusive to this video. So check out all that and be on the lookout for more Ray-Ban Meta accessory videos. For all things Ray-Ban Meta, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.